Welcome to your 10-minute gentle morning stretches, perfect to wake up your stiff body and get ready for your day ahead. Let's begin today's class standing at the front of the mat with your feet hip-width distance apart. Roll your shoulders up and back as you take a deep inhale and exhale it out. Now take a deep breath in, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, release, tuck your chin in and carefully roll down over your legs, keeping a soft bend through your knees. Inhale at the bottom, then exhale, roll up vertebra by vertebra. 2 more, deep breath in, reach your arms up. Exhale, release, tuck your chin and roll down over your legs. Inhale at the bottom, and exhale, roll up vertebra by vertebra. 1 more, inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, release, tuck your chin in and roll down. Inhale at the bottom, and exhale, rolling yourself up. Good, now inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, tuck your chin, roll down, forward fold. And inhale, halfway lift, back parallel to the floor. Exhale, release. 1 more, inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, release. Inhale, step your right foot back, low lunge, keep the back knee off the mat. Then plant your right hand down and with an inhale, reach the left arm high, open twist to the left. Really keep reaching through the fingertips, maybe look up. 1 more inhale. Exhale, left arm down, shorten the stance, and really root down through your left leg. Now lift your chest, airplane the arms by your side. Then inhale, reach the arms high, high lunge. Exhale, sink a bit deeper, bending into the left knee. Make sure your shoulders are nice and relaxed away from your ears. Now turn your hips, chest to the right, warrior 2. Back toes facing the long side of the mat, arms extended out to your sides, and gaze over the front fingertips. Beautiful, straighten the left knee as you lean your body back, coming into reverse triangle pose. Breathe into left side body, gazing up. With the next exhale, come through your warrior 2. Then cartwheel your arms down and step back to high plank. Make sure you're stacking the shoulders over the wrist. Draw your belly in and engage your core. Then shift over your wrist, bend the elbows and lower all the way down to the ground. Untuck the toes. As you inhale, lift the chest, lift the heart for cobra pose. Draw your elbows in towards your body. Exhale, release. 2 more. Inhale to lift. Try to keep the weight off the palms. Last one. Really using the upper back strength. Release. Beautiful. Press yourself up to tabletop. Tuck the toes under and lift the hips up and back to our first downward facing dog. Relax your head and your shoulders and press evenly through all 10 knuckles. Good, now let's bend the knees and walk to the front of the mat into a forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, release. 1 more. Inhale to lift. Exhale to release. And start rolling yourself up vertebra by vertebra. Head comes last. Roll your shoulders up and back and close your eyes, taking a moment here to reconnect with your body. Notice any sensations. Bring a gentle smile to your face and let's continue. So blink the eyes open. Inhale, reach high. Exhale, release, tuck your chin and roll down over your legs. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, step your left foot back, low lunge, keeping the back knee off the mat. Plant the left hand down and inhale the right arm up. Open twist to the right. Keep sinking the hips low, twisting through the spine. The right arm comes down, shorten the stand, rooting through that right leg, and then lift your chest. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Exhale, sink, hips low, high lunge. Relax the shoulders, continue to breathe. Open your hips and your chest to the left, warrior two. Shoulders stacked over your hips and continue to breathe. Now straighten through your right knee as you lean your body back and reach the right arm up and over. Breathing into the right side body now. Now come back to warrior two. Cartwheel your hands down and step back to high plank. You can repeat the cobra flow from before or follow me with Vinyasa. Inhale, shift over the wrist. Exhale, half push up. Inhale, press the hips forward, lift the chest, upward facing dog. Exhale, lift the hips, rolling over your toes, downward facing dog. Now take 3 deep cleansing breaths here. Inhale through your nose. Exhale, open the mouth. Beautiful job. Now let's stretch it out. So release your knees or jump into a cross-legged seat. We come into a butterfly pose. So soles of your feet together, knees open wide. Take a deep inhale, grow tall. And exhale, fold forward over your legs. Allow your upper body to hang heavy here. Feeling a gentle stretch through your hips, your spine, and your legs. Slowly roll up. Then hold behind your thighs and roll yourself carefully onto your back. Hug your knees in and give yourself a big loving hug here. Now keep the left leg bent, extend the right leg out, left arm onto your side. And with an exhale, bring the left knee over to the right, one-legged supine twist. You can gaze over your left shoulder and cactus the left arm for a deeper stretch in your chest and your shoulder. Breathe here, allowing the stiffness from the body to release. Now gently come back to the center. Hug both knees in. And then keep the right knee in, extending the left leg out. Reach the right arm to your side. And bring the right knee over the body to the left. Maybe looking over the right shoulder. Come back to the center, knees in. And let's continue with a happy baby. So open your knees wide, elbows inside of your knees, holding onto the outside of your arches. And draw your knees down towards the floor. Stay still or find movement, swaying from side to side, gently opening through the hips. Gently release the feet, hold on behind your thighs and roll yourself up, finding a nice comfortable seat to finish our class together. Close your eyes and take a moment to set an intention for your day ahead. You can choose one word that you want to take into the rest of your day with you. Maybe you'd like to feel grounded. Maybe you'd like to feel at peace or love. Whatever it is, take a moment to set an intention for your day ahead. And to seal your intention, inhale, reach the arms high, palms touch. Exhale, hands to your heart as a sign of gratitude towards yourself and our practice together. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me for this energizing morning practice. Leave me a comment down below what your intention for the day is. And if you'd like to practice more classes like this, don't forget to subscribe. If you're ready to dive deeper, download my free 7-day mindset reset guide to clear your subconscious blockages.